This is the AI Desk, where today's signals reveal tomorrow's power. Today, you'll understand why moves by OpenAI with ServiceNow, Zendesk's pricing shift, and Progress Software's AI UI generator signal a deeper change in how work gets done. These aren't isolated product updates. They mark a shift in how software itself acts, earns, and interfaces with the world. And the implications reach far beyond individual features. OpenAI and ServiceNow bring autonomous agents into the enterprise. OpenAI and ServiceNow announced a long-term partnership that embeds AI agents directly inside ServiceNow's workflow platform. These agents handle full tasks, investigations, triage, updates, maintenance, without requiring constant user prompts. The significance is straightforward. This moves enterprise AI from assistive suggestions to operational autonomy. The shift changes how work is structured, how teams scale, and how organizations think about ownership of repetitive processes. Zendesk experiments with outcome-based AI pricing. Zendesk is beginning to shift its AI pricing away from seats and usage. Instead, it's moving toward charging for outcomes, such as tickets resolved autonomously by its AI agents. This marks a meaningful incentive shift. Vendors only earn when AI delivers measurable results. It pushes product teams to design for efficiency, not just feature adoption. And it pressures older business models built on predictable subscription revenue. Progress Software launches an AI-generated UI builder. Progress Software announced an AI system that generates enterprise user interfaces from natural language descriptions. You describe the workflow. The system creates the screens, logic, and layout. This collapses a major development bottleneck. For years, UI complexity was a moat. Now, interface creation becomes a commodity, and speed, not design manpower, becomes the differentiator. The disruptor insight. Taken together, these moves point to a clear pattern. Software is shifting from tool-based environments to agentic systems that act, adapt, and build independently. Agents from OpenAI and ServiceNow execute work. Zendesk ties revenue to outcomes delivered, not usage logged. Progress Software eliminates UI friction by auto-generating the front end. 3 layers are evolving at once. Execution, tasks completed without human orchestration. Economics, revenue tied to real impact. Creation, interfaces generated on demand. This is the beginning of a world where workflows are defined by humans, but executed, refined, and scaled by AI systems that operate continuously. The real leverage moves to the people who design boundaries, objectives, and evaluation criteria. Control shifts upward, execution shifts downward. The middle, manual task ownership, shrinks. The quiet signal. Here's the detail most people missed. Zendesk's documentation emphasizes a single phrase: issues resolved with no human involvement. That wording is not decorative. It signals a future where enterprise software is judged by impact, not interaction. The expectation quietly changes from AI as an assistant to AI as the primary worker. This single line reveals the direction of incentives, and incentives shape entire markets. Focus on one workflow that consistently drains time. Redesign it as an autonomous loop. Clear trigger, defined constraints, measurable output. If you're evaluating tools or platforms, pay attention to whether vendors are structuring pricing around outcomes. That usually means they're confident their AI can actually deliver them. The shift is subtle now. It won't stay subtle. Power rarely announces itself. It moves quietly until it's too late.